Hi everybody, so Matthew speaking from the Read Positive team. Hope you're doing well. So let's start directly by explaining how we came to the Read Positive idea. So in thinking about positivity and our current news environment, we noticed that we are kind of all surrounded by a negative news feed. So for instance, when we would open a social media app like Facebook or a news app like CNN, we would directly be overwhelmed by news that are mostly negative. This prevents us from thinking positively and impacts our well-being. We think also that this modifies negatively our way of thinking and thus of seeing the world. So we came to an idea called Read Positive. This is a news sharing platform that solves the negativity news feed issue and promotes positivity in allowing its users to have a feed that they can filter according to their positiveness preference. So in order to read more positive news, users can just select the level of positivity they would like to have in their feed, and the platform then filters their feed according to their positiveness preference. So how does this work? Simple. It's actually just a data flow pipeline that kind of put a sentiment score thanks to an AI API that we use in Google Cloud, and then that allows us to kind of filter the feed according to its positiveness. So the platform is entirely developed on the GCP platform. The URL is this one, so if you want to go to the platform and test it, go forward. The Get access is also there, so if you want to see the code, go for it. So here is the slide describing the infrastructure. So our website is hosted in Firebase, which is using an API, a serverless API, that is developed thanks to App Engine and Cloud Endpoints tools inside GCP. The App Engine backend is using a data pipeline called Cloud PubSub and Cloud Data Flow in order to kind of aggregate a news feed and put a sentiment score on it, thanks to the Cloud Natural Language API that is here. And finally, that pushes the news and the sentiment score into MongoDB Atlas, which then will be queried to get the news feed for each user. So everything is developed on GCP, Google Cloud Platform, and it's using MongoDB Atlas. So let's go for a quick demo. So here, if I arrive on my website, so the Read Positive platform, I can just enter my name and my company and then click submit. There you will see my profile is created with Mathieu as my name. You have the news feed here. So if I want to have, for example, today only new positive feed, I'll click here and then I'll get just one news that is I'm happy, so it's pretty positive. If I want to have also negative news, I might click here in the bar of positiveness and then find that actually I have negative news here. For example, Afghanistan rickshaw bomb kills children in Eastern Gilan district, official says. So if now I click read more on this news, I'll be able to see the news that is linked to it, the website that is linked to it. Now, if I want to enter my news, I can write I have, for example, a good news. Oops. Then enter a website here, so for example, google.com, and click post. There I'll be able to see my news that is directly published, and if I go and I want only positive news, I should be able to see it here. If I click still here, I still see it, and if I click on more negative news, I'll see also other news that might be negative. So that's about it for the platform. Just try and test it. It's really amazing. Thanks for listening and looking forward for your feedback.